Now, it's our thoughts around a particular topic that also dictates how and what we attract around that particular topic. So, for example, money, relationships, business, vacations, right? So you could have an outstanding attraction factor with women if you're a man, or an outstanding attraction factor with men if you're a woman on this call, or whatever. Yeah. Okay. Could be a magnet, but for money, you're like the anti-magnet, or vice versa, right? So it's the topic in our minds, the image that when we are feeling a certain way, oftentimes we have an image of something, right? And if it's image around money, we want to start feeling good around money, relationships, business, whatever it is. Last two. The only reason why we don't all have everything we desire here and now is because we still have disempowering beliefs around that topic. That includes me. And that's some superhuman person. Bob's not a superhuman person, right? We all have beliefs. We'll always have beliefs. We are not perfect. Spiritually perfect, yes. But we live in a physical world and we try to assimilate to that perfection as much as possible, right? But we live in a physical world. We're not supposed to be perfect, whatever that perfect word would mean. So you're always going to have some disempowering belief. A millionaire wants to get to a billionaire stage. He's going to have some disempowering beliefs getting to that stage. And a billionaire wants to now spread all of his wealth around the world. And he doesn't know how he's going to do it exactly, right? We feel like billionaires have all the answers. They could do whatever they want because they got all the money in the world. Well, not precisely. You know, I'm sure many of you heard Tony Robbins' stories that he's friends with a lot of billionaires. And most of them are so incredibly unhappy. They have so much money and they have no happiness, no relationships, no connection with their family, right? So we just want to understand that richness is in all areas of life. Remember that. And last but not least, our beliefs pull us back since a belief is just a thought we keep thinking. Nice. All right. Whew. Everyone on board with all this? Give me a quick raise of hand that make sure you're alive, you're awake, you're feeling great. Do a little dance. I'm alive, I'm awake, and I feel great. Learned that at Les Brown seminar one time. I can't remember the speaker that said it, but he said every day get in the shower and say, I'm alive, and I'm alive, and now I'm not going to be able to remember it. I'm alive, I'm awake, and I feel great. Okay, you're supposed to throw your hands in the air and sing this over and over and over and over. It stuck with me. It was years ago when I went to this seminar. Couldn't get it out the first time, though. Maybe it wasn't meant to be. All right, so we got all this covered here. Everything's really good. We're going to go into our money game, of course, for our last 5 minutes. Really feeling good, feeling strong around money. So just remember, just as we wrap up this call, these Monday calls are all for deep understanding and knowledge. If you don't get everything, you're not supposed to get everything, okay? I don't have everything. Bob doesn't have everything. That's why he reads the same books over. He's still doing the reading because he still doesn't have it, and he still never will have it, right? So we're getting better and better every single call. Even if you grab one idea from this call, right, and mix it in. Maybe you watch this replay for the next 7 days until the next Monday call. Maybe on Wednesday's call, you come up with a question to start your mind stimulating around these ideas and patterns that you want to instill in your life, right? Don't feel overwhelmed and don't feel like there's so much to absorb. Instead, feel good, feel clarity tonight, feel relief that maybe you had one cool idea that you want to instill tonight, feel the topics we covered, feel the truth, feel the goodness in this, because then you bring that feeling carried into your business tomorrow, things begin to change.